Trying to snap it or move it?
Yeah, I'm trying to move it and then snap it.
Try to rotate? I don't know. I'm gonna stand free of that. Think we try to rotate it? I don't know.
Rotate it. Push it this way?
I guess, yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A little better. Clear one lane at least. Whew.
Good use of the day.
I appreciate you. Whew. Should do for a lane, yeah?
Yeah, you definitely get out of there for sure. Yeah. All right. What's your name?
Cooper.
Cooper, nice to meet you. Yeah.
You as well. Thank you, sir. You're a good man.
Oh, hey, feel free to spread the word on that.
Of course.
Don't feel like you gotta keep that to yourself.
No way. You're a good guy. Whew. Well, I appreciate you again, man.
All right, well, thanks for what you do, man.
Thank you.
That.
You have a good night.
That works.
Yeah.